Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hope you are having a good day so far. In this video, I want to give you a quick update on gold, just to show you what's been happening in the market and how price has reacted to this resistance area. So we started the day or the week off with price moving quite strongly to the upside. Quickly moved about let's see, yeah, about 750 pips this morning, and then quickly reversed. Some people were able to capitalize on that quick move, some people not. Hopefully you didn't enter late and get stopped out. But looking at the weekly time frame, we can see that this week just formed outside of price has ended up entering back below the resistance area, which at the moment is giving a very strong sell signal, and that's what we're seeing on the weekly time frame. If the weekly time frame, or if this week the candle closes below this resistance area strongly as well, then most likely we will be seeing a sell, possibly back down to this level. But then again, we just need to wait and see what happens. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see that today is about to close quite strongly bearish. We can see that the sellers just up here waiting for price to try and push above this resistance level, and you can see that we have this nice engulfing candle. You can see the body of this bearish candle is completely engulfed the previous candle, and you can also this lovely tail there as well, which shows a lot of selling pressure. And now if the market do close this way, then there is a strong chance that price could continue to the downside. All right, so again, on the weekly time frame, we're seeing price possibly pushing to the downside. On the daily time frame, we're seeing that as well. And even if we check the monthly time frame, we are seeing that price is still pointing more towards the downside. You can see this nice wick here, price still well below this resistance area. So we can see that on the weekly time frame and here on the daily time frame. Now if we go to the 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, we can see what's happening here as well. We can see price is heading back down towards this support level around the 2007. Remember I said that if price bounces from this resistance area here, it most likely come down to this 2007 zone. And as we can see previously, where price has tested that level 3 times before eventually breaking. So price could come to test that level again, and there, and we'll see how price reacts. Okay, so I was fortunate enough to capitalize on this move, but if you were not, all you can do is to wait for price to get down into this 2007 area and see how price reacts. Now 2 things can happen at this level, right? So one thing that can happen is price bouncing from there back into this resistance zone of 2070, where price could either form a double top pattern, or price could again break through to the upside. On the other hand, price could also break through this area, this support level here, break through, come back up to retest the area, and then continue to the downside to test the next support level, which will be around the 1932 zone, which you can see price has tested previously. And then if price still breaks this, then it will continue to move to the downside as well. But for now, what we are looking at is waiting for price to get down into support before we make any sort of reaction. So at the moment, we just need to be patient for now and let price wait for price to move to where we want it to move. Let price get down into the zone, and then we'll see how price reacts. And again, this is only looking at technical analysis. I am not looking at the fundamental aspects of things as of yet. So technically speaking, we're waiting for the price to get back down into the 2007 area, and then see how price reacts to that level. And if price does break below this area, then you can as well take your sell trade. Quick recap, just looking at the weekly time frame or even the monthly time frame. So far, beginning of December, we can see this nice rejection candle there of this support resistance area, which is a very strong sell signal for now. Looking at the weekly time frame as well, we started strong bearish, again a very strong sell signal, especially if it closes this way. And if we go to the daily time frame, a strong signal, a sell signal as well, we can see that today's is about to close as well. This is an engulfing candle, completely engulfing this previous candle here. And also this long tail that we can see is an indication that they have massive sell pressure as well. So our target for now, if you're already in this trade, is for price to get into the zone, the 2007 zone. And if we go down to the 4-hour time frame, we will be looking to see how price reacts to this zone here. Okay, so price gets down, gives us a sell signal, buy signal. We take our buy trade back into the zone and exit. If price breaks this level here, this 2007, we will wait for the retest, or if it breaks quite strongly, it may not come back to retest, so we just take our sell trade all the way down to the next support level. And that's how we're going to trade gold this coming week. So hold on tight, don't rush to take any trades yet. I know there's been a bit of excitement given how the market has moved, but just be patient and price will eventually come your way and you can trade in the direction in which you want to. Just ensure that when you do trade, you have proper risk management, you do not overtrade. And even if you've had some losses today, don't revenge trade and risk all your capital. Just be patient. Price will eventually get to these key levels that we have marked out, and then you can capitalize on that as well. So if you haven't seen my previous videos over the weekend, you can go check them out. I talked about the other pairs as well. So for this has just been my update on gold. So if you like this video, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more daily and weekly analysis. Thank you very much for watching and have a lovely rest of the week. Cheers.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings.